Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel, UiPath Automation. So what we are doing today? Today we will learn how can we delete duplicate row and column from Excel sheet and also get only previous month data from Excel sheet in UiPath. Like if you have the Excel sheet date is current month is October, and you want the data from September month, then you can use that method to get the data from the previous month. So let's start. How can we do that? So first you can open the UiPath Studio and create a blank process, and after that what we are doing, you can see I am already created program to use that thing, but now I am just create a new program and provide the program name is Excel project. I'll click on create, and after that what we are doing, you click on the project, and then you can see I am already create I have already Excel sheet, and in that Excel sheet we have the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 column, and in that 8 column we have the duplicate data is you can see here John available on here, and here also, and Jane also here, Albert, another kind of thing also here. So what we are doing, we are remove that row, duplicate row from that Excel sheet. Okay, and second thing, you can see we have the current month data 510 and previous month 5789998. So what they provide the output only previous month. So let's start, and also delete the duplicate row from the Excel sheet data table. Okay, let's start. How can we do that thing? Simply what we are doing, click on the activity and take a activity Excel application scope, and in that Excel application scope we are pass the path of the Excel sheet on here, and then use a lead range activity, and provide the name of this region. So I'm just provide the name, input Excel. Okay, and then we need to use to remove the duplicate row. So just take a remove duplicate row activity from here, and if you need to remove duplicate column, then you can take the remove duplicate remove data column, then you can use that thing, and also you can use the other thing, but now we are remove the duplicate row. So you can see here in the property panel we have provided the input data table, and then we can create another Excel sheet, and then we are using remove duplicate row. After that what we are doing, we are take a right range activity from the activity panel, but we can take a right range workbook activity because we need to get the output in another sheet. So just provide the name is result.xlsx extension, and provide the Excel sheet name is, okay, we need to change the scope. So just change this scope, and now provide your Excel sheet name, and then run. So you can see program is running and process is completed. After that click on project and Go inside the folder and click on result. So you can see all duplicate row is removing from that Excel sheet. So just what we are doing, just click on it, delete that, and click right range and click on add headers. After that, what we are doing, we need to only previous month data, no need to get the current month data. So for that case, what we are doing, and just tell you what we are doing. Firstly, we click on the activity panel and take assign activity, and in that assign activity we create a Excel sheet. Name is result Excel sheet. Click OK, and the type is data table, and save it. And other side, what we are doing, we are apply the coding on here. Forget the branch. For that case, what we are doing, we are just copy this and open this, and after that what we are doing, we are write the Excel sheet name, which Excel sheet we need to get the previous month data, dot select, and then and comma curly that bracket, and then we use a plus sign, the Excel sheet dot columns, and for the which column we have the date in 7 column. After that we have the convert into the dot to string plus to string bracket close, and after that we are take the greater than or equal to single quotation, double quotation, and then got the plus. We need to write the name, date, time, bracket. Here we are type the not dot add, we need to add month, add month, and here we need 30, and here for dot year. After that for the comma, and now we are for the now dot add one. Okay, sorry, I am just use the edit. Click on the add month, bracket, write the previous month, dot month, comma 1, then close the bracket, and then use dot to string, convert that thing into the string, then and bracket plus where the sheet dot column where the column name dot to string plus quotation close bracket then less than equal to plus new date time bracket now dot year one bracket and here add dot add add this one dot to string plus quotation now double close this thing and here we are writing close copy to data table. Now we'll check what we are missing and what we are doing the extra dot we are using remove sheet dot select and bracket C column dot to string moderated month year no dot add month dot month one dot to string so the sheet name is dot columns dot to string date time Not okay. I'm missing something on here. Let me add here. No. Don't want. No. Total days. One bracket will be left on here. Total days minus one dot string. You can see the error has been gone. So just click OK and save it. And now we are just what we are doing. We are just take another right range activity. Copy that activity from here and paste here and type the Excel sheet name as final result and change the Excel sheet name as result Excel sheet and remove that thing from here. Save it and run it and check all thing is working good or not. Click on it. Now it's run successfully. Click on the project. Click on the go inside the folder and you can see we get the final Excel sheet. And in that final Excel sheet you can see we get the only previous month data. You can see we get the only previous month data and left the current month data. So that is the today thing. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my